Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can cancel your ElevenLabs subscription. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your ElevenLabs account, and now that you're here, you will just have to look for your account settings, which is or subscription. So just go ahead and click subscription and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to click manage subscription, which is right here. And then what you will do is basically just select the cancel plan if it is visible for you, and of course if you have a current subscription. And what you will do is just click select plan, and then you will just have to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And finally, verify that your subscription status shows as cancelled, and check for a confirmation email. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.